Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Tamarika, but you can call me Tam. Today's video will be a relaxing after dark clean with me. I know you've seen the before clips and you're like, what is going on? But the boys had a fort party in the living room and they used all of the cushions to create their fort. And one of my couches, the legs are removed because I have this idea of spray painting my legs black because I am starting to transform my house into the new style. I don't quite know that style just yet, but I am so excited to start decorating. So that is why my house look a complete mess. And I know you just saw Carter throw all of this stuff on the floor, but I'm gonna make this short. Do not forget that you can turn this video on any of your devices and clean with me, or you can watch now and get motivation for later. Either way, let's get to cleaning.
Flashing light keeps it dead in my mind, leading me on like it's whatever. We could go on, but we should know better. We can go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, way too fast, way too fast. We can't go on again, 'cause you seem like you want it bad. My head is spinning off the edge, and I'm giving in way too fast, way too fast. I could rewind it, only us. Oh, I left you when we're blinded. Now time is up, and we tried so hard to fight it, but we knew we couldn't fight it. Hurts every time.
If this is your first time clicking on my video, I would like to thank you, and I would also like to introduce myself. My name is Tamarika. I am a boy mom, military wife, and also a graphic designer. And on my channel, you will find cleaning, organization, and also some home decor inspiration. If this is something you would enjoy, please consider subscribing because I would love for you to become a part of my YouTube family.
You and me, we kept on riding in your arms. The only place I wanna hide, yeah. I give it up. All for you, baby, keep trying, but the city's getting crowded. Hurts every time you say you'll be mine. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get right out this mess and get on out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna take all that is left and get right out of here. We're gonna get
Once I was done cleaning her area, she came over here to lay down, and I wanted to insert a clip of her because you guys love seeing her.
Every time you say you'll be mine, we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get right out this mess and get on out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna get out of here. We're gonna take all that is left and get right out of here. We're gonna get.
Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just stay the night, then you leave when it's like nothing wrong, it's alright with you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't care. Oh, 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 dinners and rings and the fanciest things couldn't make me believe in us. I'm here for pleasure, so don't you put pressure on me to give into us. All I need is short-term devotion. I don't wanna be so emotional. Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal. As long as you can show me a good time. I don't care. Oh, 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 don't worry about a thing, 'cause you and me won't last long.
I hope you guys are enjoying this relaxing after dark clean with me. If you are and you have not hit that like button yet, please do so now. It helps my channel out a lot, and it also lets me know that you guys enjoy videos like this. If you are new here and you have not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing and comment below to introduce yourself.
I don't care. Oh, 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 oh,
I really wanted to get it right.
No matter how much I clean the following rooms, they are always a complete mess. The loft, the living room, and also the kitchen. These are rooms that are always a mess because the traffic in these areas are very high, and I tend to clean them at night or sometimes the next day. What about you? What are some rooms in your house that you just cannot keep clean?
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more, no, no. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no words, no more, no. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more, no, no. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more. We're done now, no words, no more, no, no. Yeah.
Feeling really bad, got a whole lot of problems, but they're all about you. I'm trying my best, but I don't know how to solve them. I don't know what to do. I need some time on my own to figure out what I want. 'Cause baby, right now I don't know. Feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems in us. I know it's sad, but we both know. Maybe it's time that I let you go.
And that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this relaxing after dark clean with me and it gave you all the motivation you need to tackle your home. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also hit that bell so you don't miss any of my latest uploads. And I hope you guys have a great day.
For someone, but I keep thinking about you. Yeah. Yeah. You've been in my head for so long, trying to forget, but it's so hard. Yeah, it's so hard. Yeah. I need some time on my own to figure out what I want. 'Cause baby, right now I don't know. Feels like I'm riding solo. You got me thinking about all of the problems and us. No, it's sad, but we both know. Maybe it's time that I let you